The reality is everyone is craving matriarchy. Like, why the fuck is it that our mothers cook for us, our mothers clean for us, our mothers care for us, and then like only male chefs run kitchens? Like, my mother mended our clothes growing up, and then like all these designers are men? Like, all of my favorite teachers were women. I had one favorite male teacher and he was gay as hell. Like, that's just like the annoying thing, is that like, why are we pretending that like patriarchy is good or works when like women are the ones that are always doing all the work? Like, they have taste, they can mediate. Like, in anthropology, when I learned about all these different modes of systems outside of patriarchy, like how some Native American communities, like, if a woman sleeps with 6 men, all 6 of those men take care of that baby? That's amazing. Like, it feels, of course, at worst, like, very oppressive and horrifying. But, like, at best, patriarchy is just, like, inefficient and annoying, and, like, men just, like, don't have taste. Like, patriarchy is just, like, tasteless. Like, not to be, like, a petty bitch, but, like, I'm a man and I've like never been interested in like a man's point of view, let alone like think that a man should like tell me what to do.